Hey guys, so I finally took the Pixel 6 out into the world to take some photos and test out the selfie cam. So I'm going to show you the photos now between the Pixel 6, not the Pro, just the regular Pixel 6, and the old school Pixel 3. Alright. So as you can see, I was out in Times Square. The first thing that I noticed with the camera, with the selfie camera, is the angle is not very wide. I was hoping that it would be at least as wide as the 3, since that's such an older phone, but as you can see, it's just not. Zoomed in, the Pixel 6 did okay, but the Pixel 3 just shot way better selfie photos. Now this one, the Pixel 6 did a pretty good job over the Pixel 3, but usually the Pixel 3 isn't blurry, and that one it was blurry. And I do miss the wide angle lens. I don't think I would get another phone if the front facing camera doesn't have a wide angle lens. So this is just the regular main camera, the rear camera, shooting the opposite phones that I was taking. And they both do a pretty good job. I kind of like the Pixel 3 better. And here's just another, I just wanted to see I mean, they both do well with the main cameras. I would say are both pretty good, but I do miss the wide angle, and there's just something a little bit washed out about the Pixel 6's the portrait mode shots. So this is just the regular selfie mode portrait that I took on the subway, and the Pixel 6 is just fuzzy. It's just all around more fuzzy. I don't understand why it's fuzzy. So, and here's a close-up shot. It's almost as if the photo hasn't done its processing. So I'm pretty bummed about it. And the super close-up. It just doesn't, it's just not as clear. And, you know, it's very unfortunate. I was really excited about this camera and about this phone, but my Pixel 3 camera blows the Pixel 6 out of the water, and I don't understand how that is possible. Anyway, that was just my quick rant. Thank you guys for watching. I just want to be upfront about this one issue because I don't see anyone else talking about it online or on YouTube, and it's important to me, so I'm assuming it's important for other people to know what they're getting. Hopefully Google will fix this in a software update, and if that's the case, I will be really happy and really thankful. So we'll see. Catch you guys in the next one.